Welcome to XTestify, the smarter way to automate your testing. Traditionally, test automation is complex. Writing scripts, maintaining them when your app changes, and keeping everything up to date can feel overwhelming. With XTestify, test creation and execution are effortless. Whether you prefer Jira and Xray or want to create your tests directly inside the app, XTestify adapts to your workflow. Our engine runs tests on real browsers, powered by Playwright, and validates each step with AI. No more broken selectors or outdated scripts, because test code is automatically generated at each execution. As your app evolves, XTestify ensures reliable results with minimal maintenance. Whether you're a QA engineer, developer, or product manager, you can now focus on building great products instead of fixing fragile test scripts. Start with our free plan and see how easy test automation can be. XTestify, intelligent self-healing test automation.